In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping in GoDaddy. Whether you're launching a new e-commerce store or fine-tuning your current setup, understanding how to efficiently manage your shipping options is crucial for your business operations. Let's go step by step to get you started. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to GoDaddy.com. Once the site loads, you'll need to log into your account. This ensures you have access to all the back-end features necessary to make the most out of GoDaddy's functionalities. If you're encountering any issues logging in, be sure to check your credentials and ensure they're entered correctly. After logging in, find your product page. From here, locate the website's Bot Plus Marketing section. You should see a list of your websites. Next to your desired website, select the Manage button to access its settings and configurations. Upon accessing the management interface, navigate to your dashboard and expand the section titled Store. In this section, you'll find a variety of e-commerce tools and settings. Here, you will see an option labeled Delivery Methods, which is where we'll be making the necessary modifications to your shipping settings. Once in the Delivery Methods area, you will see various setup options. Look for the Add button next to a basic shipping method. Alternatively, if you have a particular idea in mind for how you want your shipping to be structured, you can choose to create a custom method tailored to your specific needs. Now, it's helpful to know some common shipping methods that you can offer, which include options like free shipping, local delivery, and in-person pickup. Choose one of these or multiple that align with your business model to provide your customers with flexible shipping choices. Let's go ahead and click Add next to the method you want to configure. This will display additional options such as free shipping, flat rate or percentage per order, and weight-based shipping. Each of these options has its specifics worth considering depending on your products and customer base. For setting up free shipping, you'll want to designate a label for what your customers will see when they opt for this method. Additionally, specify the minimum order amount required to qualify for free shipping and select the applicable countries or regions. Moving on to flat rate or percentage per order. Here, you'll enter a descriptive label and decide whether to charge a fixed amount or a fixed percentage per order. Like before, you'll also define the applicable countries or regions. Lastly, for weight-based shipping, input what customers will see, determine the kilogram ranges along with the associated shipping costs, and once again select the applicable country or region. Whichever option you choose, the final step is crucial. Remember to click Save to ensure all your shipping settings are applied and ready to be used by your customers. And there you have it. Now you know how to efficiently set up shipping options for your store using GoDaddy. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Be sure to explore other customization options to enhance your store's shipping experience.